What's up, entrepreneurs? In this video I'm going to show you how I made $1,713 or 1,500 euros in one day with a very effective but simple cold email funnel that you can set up for yourself after you watch this video. So without further ado, let's get this thing started and dive into my computer, and I'll show you exactly how I did this. What's up, guys? My name is Jordi Brink. Welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, on this channel I talk about internet marketing, sales funnels, how you can grow your business online, how you can make money online, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. We cover some travel, maybe you see me doing some crazy shit. If you like all that, if you want to learn more about online marketing, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. It will help you a lot, so we can benefit both from that action, all right? In this video, I'm going to share how I made $1,713 or 1,500 euros in one day, all right? I launched a new funnel, a cold email funnel, and I hit a new client the first day I rolled it out, okay? So I want to share that with you because you can use this for your business, all right? So how exactly did I sell for 1,500 euros in the first day I launched this funnel? How does it work, all right? If you're doing business-to-business acquisition, we can use cold email as a very effective strategy to get new clients for our business, all right? But we don't want to send out all these emails manually. What I do is I have a system that sends these emails for me. And the moment somebody replies, they take them off a list and put them into my CRM system. All right. So if I log into my CRM system, I see that I have a new reply from a lead. All right. If somebody doesn't reply, if a company doesn't reply to my first email that I send out automatically, 2 days after I send out that email, another email goes out to that same company with a follow-up, an automatic follow-up. Just saying a quick message like, hey, I sent you a message 2 days ago. I haven't had a reply yet. Can you please take a look at it and get back to me? All right, just that simple. If the company now does reply, again, they will be taking off that list and put into my CRM system, and I log into my CRM system and I see a new lead, all right? If they don't reply, they stay on that list, all right? So they get another email 2 days after that. And you can build that out as long as you want, but I normally do 5 to 7 emails in a sequence like this. In the particular sequence that we're going to talk about, the campaign that we run, this funnel, on top of my head, it were 5 emails that we built, that we set out to send, okay? So without further ado, let me show you the exact software that I use to send these emails, all right? This is the software that I use to send out these emails, and this is the exact cold email campaign that I use to land that first client for 1,500 euros, all right? And just to be fair, I say 1,500 euros, but this is a client from a month-to-month basis, all right? So they're paying my business 1,500 euros a month. Now, we're still in the first month, so to be fair, I call it a 1,500 euro sale, but it could possibly be a 10K client, all right? So this is a very effective system. It does cost some money to set up, but hey, just with one client or one sale, one good sale, if you have a high ticket offer, everything you have to invest to set up this system for yourself, you get it back immediately, all right? And then again, you got to pay to play, right? You got to invest in your business. You got to have certain tools. So this is one tool I highly recommend you should get. I will put the link in my description, all right? If you click that link and you sign up, I am an affiliate. You're a new lead from my affiliate program, so I get a small commission on that. I would very much appreciate it. And if you have any questions in setting it up, just hit me up. I will help you. All right. This is the exact cold email that I run. So how does this work? How does this look like? As you can see right here, this is the first email in the sequence. Number 1, day 1. All right. We got the email right here. This is in Dutch, so if you're not Dutch, you obviously cannot understand what it says, but I will just show you real quick. This is the email. So this is like dear, first name, and then a sentence. Here comes the company name automatically, and here comes a snippet, is how I call it, a personal tagline that I made for that business, all right? It's automatically inserted into that email. So when this email sends out to, let's say, 10 different people, all 10 emails will be customized to that company, all right? So it doesn't seem like it's a generic email sent out in bulk. I'm really talking to the company that I'm emailing, all right? But it's all automated. It does cost some time and energy to set this up, but once it's set and you got a good list of leads, this can run automatically. And the only thing you have to do is just log into your CRM system every day and see who replied and who's ready to be followed up, right? Okay, so this is the first email. Let me close this down for a second. We got the second email sending out on the 3rd day, all right? So after 2 days, if there's no reply, the system is gonna send this new email. Now, this email is also very short. I don't like long emails. Nobody likes to read long emails. Just be short, powerful, straight to the point, all right? Set a hook. Let them know what your service is about, what problem they have, and how you're going to solve it, all right? So we got 5 emails, all right? You can build this out for as long as you want, all right? But between 5 and 7 is enough. Right? If somebody doesn't reply after 7 emails, after you send them 7 emails and they're a business, man, just forget about them and find another one, all right? So this right here you see I got 28 people into this sequence. With only 28 people, I landed that first client. How is that even possible? Well, I did my due diligence with finding my leads. I found leads of whom I was very confident, very confident that they needed my services, all right? So if you're offering a solution to a problem and you know the lead that you're emailing has that problem, the chance of you closing the sale is very high, okay? I'm probably gonna blur out these email addresses over here, but if I just move this, you can see this is the important part. This is the engagement. Okay, so the system, they register the engagement of the company. So I can see of this company right here, I can see if they have engaged with my emails. Now, they haven't even opened my first 3 emails, but they did open my 2 last emails. All right, let me get another one. This company right here opened my first one. He opened my second one 4 times and then he replied. All right, you see how powerful this is? I can literally see right here which company this is. I can see that this company opened my email the second time for 4 times, all right, and then replied to me. This one opened all 4 of my emails and only replied on the 4th one, all right? So if I would have only sent them 2 emails, I would have never get in contact with these guys, all right? This is how powerful this system is because it's automated, all right? I set it up one time. Yes, that costs time and energy, but once it's set, all right, once it's proven, once the sales scripts are done and they're good, you know, I can use this for months and months and months. And the only thing I have to do is get good leads, throw them into this sequence, and then they will be sent 5, 6, 7 emails that pitch them on my service. And once they reply, or I don't know, they call me, then I take them off the list as well. That's one thing you need to be wary of. Take them off the list if they call you directly and don't reply. So you keep on sending them emails. But once they reply, they will be sent to your CRM system automatically. So what CRM system am I using? to link with this software. I believe the best CRM system out there, and I've tried a lot of them. So let me save you a lot of time and money. The best one out there, in my opinion, is Pipedrive. All right, I will drop a link down below as well. If you sign up through that link, I will be very, very grateful because it will be my affiliate link. All right, so if I log in right here, you see this is my pipeline. All right, so it's also in Dutch, excuse me, but this says first contact, meeting, invoice, follow up, doing the servers, and then follow up again. All right, so this right here, uitvoering, it says that I need to do the service. All right, so for me this is making a sale. So if the deal goes from here to here, I made a sale. So once somebody replies in here, they come automatically into first contact in my Pipedrive, in my pipeline. All right, and then in the morning I just log in, I see who made first contact, and then I follow up with them immediately. I can also automate this to have the system call my phone, and then I can call my lead, but that's advanced stuff. If you're just getting started, you don't need all that. Just log in, see who replied to your email sequence, and then follow up with them immediately. All right, so yeah, that's it, guys. To not make this video too long, I use one system to send out emails automatically. The only thing I have to do is find good leads, and I will show you in other videos how to do that, and throw them into my cold email sequence. It will automatically edit the emails. They will personalize the emails to the companies. All right, so add the company name, add a personal line that I made up for that company, and then it will go and send out these emails automatically. If they don't reply, it keeps on sending. All right, if they do reply, it takes it off the list from the sequence and puts it on my CRM system. Then I log into my CRM system and I follow up with that lead. All right, I sell them on my service. Now, one thing is missing in this sequence, and that is the page that I send people to. Normally, I send them to a sales funnel, and right now we have a sales funnel built, but back then when I first started this sequence, it was a month and a half ago maybe, or a month ago, we didn't have the sales funnel ready, so I just sent them through our website. All right, this is the website. I just send them to this, and I made the sale already. So can you even imagine, if you have a good sales funnel in place, how powerful this is? Because your sales funnel will do the online selling for you as well. A website doesn't really sell, all right? But if you have a powerful sales funnel in place as well, it will be even more powerful. You have 1, the traffic, 2, the CRM system that notifies you there's a new lead, and then 3, the sales funnel that's selling every lead that comes through automatically. All right, you see how beautiful this is? I hope this video was very helpful for you. I dropped all the links down below so you can sign up for these systems, put them in place. It's very, very easy to use, but very effective. All right, hope you find this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have a question, if there's something you want to share, and like this video, and I will see you the next time. Thank you.